Transform your ordinary edits into compelling visual stories with powerful zoom effects in CapCut for PC. First, open your CapCut desktop application and import the video clip you want to enhance. Drag and drop your clip onto the timeline to begin editing. Next, position the playhead. That's the vertical line indicating the current playback position at the exact frame where you want your zoom effect to start. Now, with your clip selected on the timeline, go to the Basic tab in the Inspector panel. On the right, you'll see a Scale slider. We're going to use this for our zoom. For a zoom out effect, you'll start by slightly decreasing the scale value. Think of it as starting zoomed in and pulling back. You can adjust this value by moving the slider or typing in a number. To make this change animated, click the small diamond icon next to the scale slider. This creates a keyframe, marking the starting point of your zoom. Now, move your playhead forward on the timeline to where you want the zoom effect to conclude. This could be a few seconds later, depending on your desired speed. At this new position, increase the scale value. Move the slider to the right to zoom in, or type in a higher number. CapCut will automatically create another keyframe for this new scale setting. CapCut intelligently interpolates between these two keyframes, creating a smooth zoom-in animation from your starting scale to your ending scale. You can preview this by playing back the section. For a dramatic zoom-in, start with a smaller scale and end with a significantly larger one for a more subtle effect. Keep the scale changes more modest. To control the speed of your zoom, simply drag the keyframes apart on the timeline to slow it down, or move them closer together to speed it up. Experiment with these timings for the perfect pace. To create a zoom out, reverse the process. Start with a larger scale value and a keyframe, then move forward in time, decrease the scale value, and CapCut will automatically create the second keyframe for a zoom out. You can add as many of these zoom effects as you need throughout your video to emphasize specific moments, guide viewer attention, and add professional polish. Mastering these zoom techniques with CapCut PC will instantly elevate your video editing, making your content more dynamic and captivating than ever before.